Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I'm painting another one of your photos that you sent in. We have this beautiful, looks like Hawaii, blue ocean, mountains, and a beautiful rainbow. So I'm going to render that and teach you guys how to paint this today on a 12 by 12 inch canvas with the following colors here. Lemon, neon yellow, titanium white, neon pink, crimson red, phthalo blue, phoenix violet, hooker's green, and bright aqua green. I've got the following brushes I'll be using today. 1 to 2 inch mop brush, a soft one. And then here I've got a small filbert brush, a number 4. I've got a larger filbert brush, 30, roughly 2 inches. And then a 1 inch flat brush. So I'm going to begin the painting by working on the sky, then we'll come in with the mountains and we'll layer from background to foreground. I'm going to add some water to the canvas and let that fall on my palette. It'll keep my paint wet longer and it will help with blending. I'm going to come in with a little bit of white and a little bit of phthalo blue, like the tiniest little bit we're going to add right up here. And then I'm going to start coming in with a little bit more white, a little bit of red, a little bit of purple, and even a little bit of green. So purple, red, white, and green. And I'm going to add that in here. And if you're seeing the reference photo, it's free to download below the description of this video. You'll wonder why I'm adding these colors because they don't look like what we've got in the reference photo, but this is what we're going to use right now, and then we're going to work that in to a little bit of that blue, and then we're going to come in with a little bit of blue and red over top of that, and that's going to kind of tone that blue and just make it a little bit gray. I'm going to mist again and take my mop brush and just go around in little circles. I'm going to come in with my small filbert, some more white, and I'm going to start adding these little half circle bumps. I'm going to soften. And then I'm going to take a little bit more, bring it a little lower down, soften really lightly so you can still see it, but it just looks like a really soft cloud. And then we've got another little section in here, so I'm just going to come in and add that. Again, just those little scoops. It's that combination of softening, and then we're going to have a little bit right in here. Soften. And I'm going to take some blue and some purple. A little bit of green, and we're going to come and layer over. Then some purple, and I'm going to bring that right down low here, and then this will be, mix that in with the green. And then I'm just going to tap and dab a little bit of that on here. Add a little bit right back in here. and then a little bit of red and a little bit of purple, both in my brush. And we're going to add that right in this area here, behind here. Bring it down lower, and it's going to meet with this one. And then just go right down into here. I want this one to be a little lighter, so it's kind of more on the transparent side. A little bit more color at the top here. Gotta work quickly before it dries. With our blue and white, I've got both in my brush, and I'm just gonna make the water look a little rough by adding lots of little wiggles and a little bit of purple and blue for this section here where it's darker, and it gives the feeling that it's a little deeper here. Then back to a little bit of white. White and blue. There's a little bit of turquoise I'm going to take and add in this section here. Little bits. And we're going to work that into the phthalo blue. Then we've got some white. We're going to just kind of scatter that around. Think of all the turmoil in the water, stormy skies, but it's also really beautiful. We've got the rainbow through the storm or after the storm. Then a little bit more of that purple and blue, and I'm going to just lift up here because we've got a little bit of a wave, so we're going to gently scoop up and then curl down here like that. Add a little bit of turquoise in with my white, and this part right here in the middle of this wave where it comes up and where it goes in, right in the middle here, we're going to add a little bit of that pattern. And then above this turquoise, we've got a little bit of a wave happening here too. So there's a lot of that foam on the water right there. And then little white caps. little bit of turquoise, a little bit of blue, a little bit of white. I'm gonna add that right in here. So it's fine if you're a little bit shaky. You don't really need a steady hand. Add those light turquoise spots wherever you want. It just creates such a nice balance, I think. I'm just gonna come right back here along the shore, trying to make a really thin line there. That always seems to be the hardest thing to do. Just clean it off with my flat brush. I want it to be a little bit darker in there, so I'm just going to go back in, bring it up a little bit higher with my blue, gradually lift it up a little higher. And I'm going to take a little bit of pink and a little bit of white. Not a lot of paint, okay? Mostly just like dry brush. And the rainbow is going to be coming down here, right to the water. We don't see where it's coming in out of up here, it just kind of fades into the clouds. All right, then I'm going to take a little bit of yellow and white. That can mix in a little bit with the pink. And again, mostly just a dry brush. And then you're going to go over part of the pink. Introduce this color. Always going over the previous color just a little bit. And then the next color we're going to take is some turquoise. I'm going to add that with a little bit of the yellow and a little bit of white. So we're getting this bright sort of lime green color. Okay, and then the next color we're going to take is blue. I really enjoyed this one. I love storms and rainbows and turquoise water, and so it made it even more enjoyable to paint. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this one. If you want a chance for me to paint from one of your photos, send me a message on Patreon through chats, and I will give you the info. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.